Greetings, Velorians. I am MyNamesTee, a community manager here on Velora.tv, a next-generation creative-first and focused streaming platform. I'm going to show you how you can begin and create your very first live stream here on Velora.tv. The first step would be to obviously create your account. Once you have verified your email, which is strictly required to do so, click your name at the top right corner. Head over to settings. You'll end up in profile settings, but we're not here to customize our profiles just yet. On the left hand side, click Stream Key. Here you'll be able to find your stream keys as well as the supported protocols that you may use on Velora.tv. Velora supports RTMP, SRT, and WebRTC. We also support High Efficiency Video Codec or H.265, but our AV1 support is currently in the process of getting fixed. To begin, scroll down to find your information for RTMP. If you use OBS Studio or Mount Studio, then RTMP as well as SRT would be suitable. Once you have copied the URL as well as your stream key, open up OBS. Once you have OBS opened up, click Settings. On the left-hand side, click Stream. Make sure your service is set to Custom. Paste your RTMP URL here, as well as your stream key just below that. Once you have done that, it's time to tune into our settings. To do this, go to the Output section on the left-hand side. The maximum supported bitrate on Velora.tv is 12,000. And our maximum video resolution, 1080p 60 FPS. Once you've tweaked all your settings here, and you feel comfortable with streaming with them, hit Apply. To set up your custom stream title, as well as the category you'll be streaming in, you would need to access your creator dashboard. To do this, click your name at the top right corner, go to Creator Dashboard. You'll end up at your creator console, where you can keep an eye out on your activity feed, your moderation log, your live chat, your stream preview, as well as some buttons to execute small and easy clips, along with an option to edit your stream title. To edit your stream title, as well as your category, click the pencil icon you would find on the right-hand side. Give your stream a title, select the category you want to stream in. We do have a recent category option, so you can go back and pick a category without needing to type it all over again. As well as a language selection. Up to 3 languages are supported, so pick wisely. Once you're happy with your changes, click Save Changes. And if you're ready to go live, click Start Streaming in OBS. Please consider subscribing to the official Velora.tv YouTube channel, where more tutorials and how-to videos are expected. See you next time!